Now we will discuss how the compounds are formed by transfer of electrons. Here you see one electron is in the outermost shell. So if I release out this electron, and here you see 7 electrons in the outermost shell of chlorine. It is a sodium atom, 1 electron in the outermost shell. So if I release it out, it will be easily accepted and gladly accepted by chlorine atom to make it 8 in its outermost shell. Here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So obviously it will be accepted here. So before losing an electron, you know that the nucleus is positively charged and the electrons total charge is equal to the charge in the nucleus. Total charge is 0. Now one negative charge is going outward, so it will be charged as +1 and termed as sodium ion. Likewise, chlorine atom, its charge was 0, as the positive charge here in the nucleus and the total negative charge of electrons are equal and opposite, making it 0. So accepting one negative charge, it will become -1. So it will be termed as chloride ion. These two ions, by combining with each other, it will form sodium chloride. By this way, ionic bond formation was there. Now if I think about one carbon atom, there are 4 electrons in its outermost shell. Neither it can release electron nor it can accept electron. So suppose one hydrogen atom is having 1 electron in its outermost shell. So what will happen? It will share their electrons. It will use its electron and it will its carbon's electron. So here you see in the outermost shell of hydrogen it becomes 2 electrons. So by this way it will get the duplet noble gas configuration, that is also a stable configuration. In this way 4 hydrogen atoms sharing electrons of it with carbon atom. Here you see sharing electrons. So now you find 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8. So carbon is having 8 electrons with the help of hydrogen atoms, and hydrogen also having 2 electrons in its outermost shell, each hydrogen atom. So both carbon and hydrogen having noble gas or stable configuration. This type of sharing of electrons is called covalent bonding. This is possible only when an atom is having 4 electrons in its outermost shell, or even only one electron like hydrogen. This is an exception. In this way covalent bonding is formed, and this transfer of electron, it is known as electrovalent bonding. By this way compounds are formed by transfer or sharing of electrons.